So here is what we need to make a banana bread. So here we've got our homegrown organic bananas from our banana trees. In addition to that, we're gonna need a cup, like a stick of butter, 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of flour, a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of cinnamon here. So let's get started. We are gonna also need these baking pans, and we're gonna get started. It's a very fast recipe, so we can already turn on the oven to 350 degrees and spray one of these pan loaf with a non-stick cooking spray, or grease them with butter, which is what I'm gonna do because I'm not sure I've got some cooking spray left. And then we'll set them aside and gonna melt the butter. All right, we have our butter melted. We're gonna pour the butter on top of our bananas. So they have to be ripped banana, easy to smash with your fork. And we're gonna smash the bananas. All right, once this is all smashed good, we are going to add the vanilla extract as well as the egg to the mix. All right, we're gonna work now on our dry mix. For this one, we are going to need 2 cups of flour. One. And 2, more or less. We are going to need 1 cup of sugar. Probably need to add it a little bit. Okay. And then baking soda. 1 teaspoon, a bit more, and then half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. So we're gonna mix this together, and once it's mixed, we are going to put it in the wet mix and then mix it all together again, and that will be it. We want it to be very well blended. As I said, I'm running out of cooking spray, so I'm using butter here. And if you have a big loaf like I do, it's very easy to, once it's baked, you can just put it in the freezer and freeze it and keep it. So once in the freezer, to eat it, you just have to take it out 24 hours in advance, and that's gonna be it. So make a surprise for the girls. All right, I have my 2 loaves now in the oven at 350. All right, I just pulled the short tiny one out of the oven after 40 minutes, and I was right, this is perfect. So that one is done, and we're gonna be watching the other one, but that one looks really good. Banana and chocolate chip. All right, this is the tiny one. That was really not, there wasn't much left, but I added a few chocolate chips, so let's see what how it looks like. Oh yes, that looks good. All right, that's gonna be our 4 o'clock snack for the girls. Maybe I'm gonna add a tiny bit of vanilla ice cream on top. Let's be crazy. And I'm still waiting for the other one to be totally baked. So let's give it a few more minutes. Very silent and eating. How is it, girls?
Good.
Yes! Wonderful.